Ladies and gentlemen, this is your In This Corner special attraction. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout scheduled for 8 rounds in the light flyweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner tonight, wearing yellow with black trim. He weighs in at 109 pounds. The Philippine number 4 light flyweight contender from Waki Salud Stable of Cebu City, ladies and gentlemen, Julius Alcos. And his opponent in the red corner, wearing black, official weight 106 pounds, with a professional records of 21 wins, 21 wins coming by way of knockout. WBC number 10, IBF number 4, OPBF number 1, and the current Philippine minimum weight champion from Aljo Harold Stable of Binangonan, Rizal, ladies and gentlemen, Florante Condes.
Baka mag-step outside lang sandali. Ito, partner, bilis mo magsalita. Si Condes ang lumalaban eh.
Well, sa Condes po ang nakaitim sa inyong TV set. Bata po yan ni Aljo Haro, Kaliwete po yan. Siya po ang mini flyweight champion ng Pilipinas. Meron po 23 laban, 18 panalo, 4 natalo, 1 tabla. Ang knockout po diyan, 18. Tumimban po ka po ng 106. Samantala ang kalaban niya si Julius Alcos ng Rex Waki Salud. Yan po ang nakadilaw sa inyong TV set. 13 laban, 11 panalo, 2 talo lang yan. 3 andyan ang knockout. Ang height po niya 5'2". Tumimban po siya kahapon ng 110 pounds. Kaya po, malaki ang glove ni Alcos kisa kay Condes dahil hindi siya nakagawa ng timbang.
Pero walang championship ito, no? This
Wala.
is just a special attraction.
Ito actually is a tune-up fight for Condes. Dahil po sa Enero, meron po siyang IBF Championship na gagawin sa Amerika. Kaya po kailangan mapalaban si Condes dahil medyo matagal po siyang
matagal na
laban.
bakante, no?
Oo.
Alcos pouncing on the opportunity of the misfortune of Condes slipping and all. But one thing you'll notice about Condes, it will take a lot for you to get rid of Condes. We've seen Condes fight dito sa atin and lose miserably also. Pagka natatalo to, talagang talo eh, no?
Well, dito sa atin, Seb, ang alam ko si Condes puro panalo. Natalo po siya minsan.
Or nanalo siya, na nahihirapan siya ng isang laban, di ba?
Oo.
Yun ang siguro ang sinasabi ko.
Oo, hirap siya. Dahil
Na hindi niya man-knockout yung kalaban niya kaagad.
Oo,
Hindi
dahil
ko
nanggigigil eh.
Oo. Basta yun, he was not in his best element. I think he just won it by a decision actually.
Oo. Hindi talaga na siguro ang kalaban niya katulad nitong Alcos, medyo ano ito, yung mga veterano rin ito ng maraming laban.
Crowd yelling encouragement and at the same time a little disappointment also.
Kasi po itong si Condes taga Binangonan.
At saka
Gusto
wala
ng
eh.
tao.
Ambahan eh, no? Gusto ng tao, action! Sige. Buhat ang kayong dalawa.
Inaling nga po dahil nga dinadagalan siya. Medyo napipikon po si Condes.
Alcos likes to apply pressure,
Oo.
and he took a firm look, Alcos, at Condes.
Sobrang slow mo natin. Tingnan niyo po, yung Condes talagang ginagawa niya lahat magagawa niya para suntukin sa katawan yung Alcos. Pero yung Alcos po, alam po niya sa katawan siya susuntukin, kaya po nabla-block yung suntok ni Condes.
We're down to the last 2 rounds of what has been slated for 8. You've got Julius Alcos up against Florante Condes. Alcos has his back turned towards you, but now he's on the left side of your screens. Condes, our our KO artist here, because 18 of his 18 wins via KO, no?
Totoo, sir. At tingin ko po, talaga naman malakas yung contest. Kaya nga lang, ngayon, yung Alcos, tumimbang 100 Gs.
Ayun.
Malaking diferensya yun eh. Sa ganitong timbang.
Makabawi-bawi si... I just remember that one fight. I'm trying to remember the name of the fighter. So, if Condes has won everything by knockout, he came back to win by knockout.
Yes.
Pero hirap siya.
Hirap siya noon.
Pero parang sabog-sabog yung buhok niya that day. Talagang ano siya eh. And na-neutralize yung power niya eh.
Oo.
Although he managed to find his second and third wins in that particular battle. It just gives you an indication of the power of Condes and the conditioning he's in. How much, when will they be able to reap the dividends of this going to the body of Alcos and, almost exclusively pumupunta si Condes doon, ha?
Kasi ginagawa ni Alcos, binabatay lang yung suntok sa kanan, binablock niya. Kaya ako ito si Condes, may suntok ka sa baba, may suntok ka sa itaas.
Yun. That snapped back the head of Alcos. Now he's doing that, Moy. Good left hand. Loaded talaga itong kaliwete na ito.
Oo, talaga malakas. Walang duda yun. Kaya kalaang, baka makalaban tayo ng magandang boboxing. Yung si Calderon, katimbang niya yon, WBO champion pero malikot.
Oo.
Baka yung negro, baka maboxing-boxing tayo, maalis-alisan tayo. Yun ang sinasabi ko dahil yung Calderon, maganda ang footwork. Itong Condes talaga nananaligla siya sa lakas din niya.
And sometimes Las Vegas judges really tilt towards the boxing skill, huh?
Oh yes. And then pag minsan nga yung hindi din perfect ang scoring nila eh. Yung tao na nakakamali talaga.
That final, that thing, the grand finale was an interesting day actually.
Oo. Yung mga laban doon at ewan ko, mali ang tingin ko.
Oh, mali ba ang call mo sa dalawang laban? Ako isang laban daw mali ang call ko, tingin ko.
Ako yung kay Torres. Yung kay Torres, tingin ko natalo doon si Torres.
He wasn't throwing enough, huh?
Oh yes. Saka bumagsak pa siya eh.
Yep. Oh, look at that. That must have been felt. But Alcos trying to brush it away. See if nothing happened. Final seconds of the 7th. It should be an explosive 8th round, which is just around the corner.
Tapos slow mo natin, tingnan nyo po talagang binubuhos na po talagang lahat ni Condes sa lakas niya eh.
Alam mo talaga napakaliit ng mundo, no? Iikot at iikot talaga. No? Bilog ang mundo, sabi nga ng Ginebra San Miguel. 8th round tayo, Moy.
Magpapangita rin, papakita kayo eh.
Kaya hindi mo ganyan, may kaaway kang matagal.
Talaga. Dapat dito wala kang kaaway, kakampi mo lahat. Yun, kinakatamaan po puro katawan, no? Puro lapit. Ang ginagawa naman ni Alcos, lumalayo.
Let me be the first one who will not suffer the knockdown in front of you. Ano? Parang yun ang sinasabi niya.
Basta ako hindi mo ko mananockout.
But I don't think that's the way to go. I think Alcos has boxing skills, but has not unraveled all of them here tonight. Didn't go all out. It's a very cautious 8th round. We had
tinamaan po sa kataban to, no? Medyo nasaktan po din si Alcos. Sa lakas ng suntok ni Condes,
we had anticipated some fireworks, but it's in a cautious 8th round more than anything else, actually.
Yes. Talaga nadudulas po ang mga boxingero eh.
Our mop man has really tried his best, but it's really just damp right now.
Totoo dahil sama. Dami na pong laban natin at dami ng tubig na naibuhos po sa mga boxingero plus yung pawis. Talaga pong dudulas ang ring natin. Sa Las Vegas, di ba napansin? 5 laban, 6 na laban lahat yun eh. Kaya halos hindi nababasa ang ano. Saka dahil nga medyo malamig doon, hindi sila masyado nagbubuhos ng tubig. Unlike dito sa atin.
Dahil at tayo nire-revive natin yung boksingero dahil sa init, ginagamitan natin ng tubig. Ano?
Oo.
Like, if you observe the corner of Pacquiao, hardly ever does he get a dousing of water. No? Morales got a bit of that, especially in the second fight. You know?
Oo. Itong third fight, halos walang ano.
Walang tubig doon, ibang klase. Ang bilis.
Dapat ganyan ang ginawa ni Alcos ng maaga eh. Oo. Medyo mga suntok ni Alcos, hindi nakabuhos eh. Dahil takot din siya baka makaunter sa ni Condes, bigla sa mapuslitan.
Both fighters, their chances are down to the last few seconds here.
Uy! Sa lakas ng suntok, dumudulas talaga ang ano eh.
Alcos may be walking away here with the idea that Mr. Condes failed to knock him down.
Talaga. Hindi nasaktan na lasa ko yung Alcos ngayon eh.
We will turn to the scorecards.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the scores of the 3 judges after 8 rounds of boxing. Henry Bernice scores about 78-74. Salvador Lopez scores about 79-75. Alex Villacampa finds it 78-76, all in favor of the winner by unanimous decision, Florante Condes. Number 10, IBF number 4, OPBF number 1, and the current Philippine minimum weight champion from Aljo Harold Stable of Binangonan, Rizal. Ladies and gentlemen, Florante Condes.
Baka mag-step outside lang sandali. Ito, partner, bilis mo magsalita. Si Condes ang lumalaban eh.
Well, sa Condes po ang nakaitim sa inyong TV set. Bata po yan ni Aljo Haro, Kaliwete po yan. Siya po ang mini flyweight champion ng...
And his opponent in the red corner, wearing black, official weight 106 pounds, with a professional records of 21 wins coming by way of knockout. WBC number... ladies and gentlemen, this is your In This Corner special attraction. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout scheduled for 8 rounds in the light flyweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner tonight, wearing yellow with black trim. He weighs in at 109 pounds. The Philippine number 4 light flyweight contender from Waki Salud Stable of Cebu City, ladies and gentlemen, Julius Alcor.